What time is it?
7:20.
7:20. Me and Nick are gonna go to the gym, work out, and then go home, eat some food. And then we got Food Truck Friday at Artegon. You excited? Excited? You're excited to go?
Mm-hmm.
Go get the food trucks. Always gotta work first. Not always all play. All play and no work makes Jack a dull boy. Alright, see you guys at the gym. What kind of workout are we doing today? All the workouts! How is the workout? That's Nick for tiring. So we just got a shoulder and bicep workout in. We wanted to do abs, but we didn't have enough time because Nick's got a super busy schedule today. So I'm gonna go home. Nick's gotta get ready because he's got a lot of stuff to do. I'm probably just gonna eat and get ready for work because me and Ben got this meeting at like 11 o'clock. And then from there we gotta do our actual job until about 5 or so. And then come back home, go to Food Truck Friday, and that's gonna be exciting. So I'll see you guys later. So me and Ben got a meeting to go to, and then we're gonna go to the same neighborhood, try and do what I did yesterday, make some, decent amount of money. So we're at the building that we're having the meeting at, but I'm trying to find a parking spot, and the only one I can find is being blocked by this So that's how close I got. Look at this. Best parking of all time. Ready for work?
Fuck yeah.
Always ready. Always ready for the unexpected. Like people pulling guns on you and shit. Nice weather we're having. Yep. Pretty damn sunny. So we just got done with the meeting. Me and Ben both got our paychecks. It was a nice day. Now we're gonna go get something to eat with the rest of the company. And then from there, go out, try and make even more money. And then we got Food Truck Friday, like I said before. So I'll see you guys at Artegon. So we're at the Artegon, and Food Truck Friday is today, but it's like pouring rain outside, so we're just gonna walk around Artegon like we always do, and then hopefully the rain clears up and we can go outside and try some of the food truck food. Let's explore. Okay, so it stopped raining for a little bit.
Wait, can we look at the rest of that place?
I'm gonna see if I can show you guys all the food trucks that they have here, because they have a lot.
I want one thing from every spot. We're at the first stop.
Burgers Gone Wild.
Second stop.
Monster Lobster. Arrested Appetite. Lock up your taste buds, you're going to jail. That's like the best logo for them.
Donuts.
That's our dessert. We're gonna have that after we eat. Crab cakes. They got crab cakes.
You like crab cakes?
That's like number one right now.
Yeah.
Number one right now. Peru Power. How do you feel about that?
Not so much.
No?
Nah.
What do you want?
I want a nice enclosed air-conditioned setting with some like good lake side.
He's such a square. Paramount Pictures presents food trucks. Food trucks. Belly full Caribbean food. Maybe. Crepes. What's this one? Last but not least, Big Bellies.
Right?
This one's got a line.
The small one?
It's got a line. Is it worth it? Or is it because it's the first food truck? The world may never know. What's the deal? Yeah.
The deal is you're going to buy a crab cake sandwich. If you do not like it, I will then give you your money back, plus I will buy you dinner elsewhere.
Alright, and who are you guys?
My name is Will. I own Willie T's Crab Shack.
Alright, come to Artagon. This guy's the man. I will have a crab cake.
Okay.
It's the moment of truth. This is it. And the verdict is? It's from Maryland. Hey Willie, thank you man.
Man, thank you.
You made my night.
All right, I'm
All right.
glad, man. I'm glad you like it. Just look on our either the Facebook or the website, and it'll give you the address and where we are. And, like we had 28 events this month.
Alright. Well, you got 3 fans now.
Well, thank you, man. I appreciate it.
Alright, thank you.
All right, take care.
So, Willie's got a fan base. I'm going to be a part of his fan base. Now we're going to go get donuts. Huh. How long would you wait in line for donuts?
For this place, because I've heard good things from one person, probably a half hour.
How long would you wait for donuts?
As long as it takes.
Both of those are good at answers. I'd wait forever.
Loser.
Getting the Samoa. Getting the Samoa and the key lime. What are you getting?
Samoa and the Seminole.
What are you getting?
Maple bacon.
Maple bacon. Samoa, key lime, in my mouth.
All I heard was in my mouth.
This is looking awesome. Look how crazy that sky looks. And Nick comes in. Is it good?
Oh, yeah.
Dude, wait, look at this. Ready? Look how crazy the sky looks.
Oh. Oh my god.
It looks like
I just sat in
ocean.
pure water.
But was it worth it?
For this donut, yeah.
What's the other one?
Cinnamon.
Hey. Here we go. He's going in. Maple bacon.
That's what grandma used to make.
Is it good?
Like his grandma used to make.
Alright, I'm gonna go with key lime first. Oh god. It's key lime. soon we will be going to Sky Zone. Eventually. Not this vlog, another vlog later, sometime in the future. When we come here again, because we're always here. You know what I mean?
Right.
Right?
Usually it's like once a week. This week was twice.
So we're at Gods and Monsters, and me and Nick just signed up for Extra Life, which is basically a video game charity that you play video games and
All the proceeds go to Children's Hospital
exactly.
in your area.
We basically go to events, work like at the little kiosk that they have, try and promote awareness to what we're doing, and then they'll give us a pass and we'll just go to whatever event that we're working at. So for example, like MegaCon or like an anime
we were planning
convention.
on going to anyway, just haven't bought our tickets yet.
they'll literally let us go in, work for like 2 hours, and then just roam around in MegaCon in our costumes and everything.
Which
So
we still need to get.
you will be seeing me playing a lot of video games now, and I guess that's pretty much it. We should kind of end the vlog now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Ben, you want to help me end the vlog? Anything you want to say?
It was a good night.
Anything you want to say?
The Samoa Donut at Sweet Street Donuts food truck in Orlando, Florida. So good.
And make every day exciting. Peace.